Do you know what today is? It's my lock-anniversary. Today makes exactly 5 years that I have been locking my hair. I've been doing it on my own, so I decided that I was going to put together a video just showing you like my maintenance of my locks. Enjoy. So a little background about my locks. It was the weekend of like Halloween of 2014, in which it took me literally 3 days to finish doing my hair. So I started on November 1st. And so I watched a bunch of YouTube videos just trying to get an idea of how can I do my locks myself, because those who know me know that I actually had traditional locks for a year prior to doing more investigating and figure out what was best for me, because I took out those locks after having them for a year because I realized I didn't really like traditional locks. And so came across micro locks because I did not want to pay the prices for a sister loctician, which was just too much. And I already braided hair. So I was like, you know what? I can learn how to do this myself. And so honestly, since I've locked my hair in 2014, no one has had their hands in my hair since then. I've been the only one doing my hair since then. And I've just been loving it. I'm going to post some pictures. My anniversary came at the perfect time. It is time for me to wash my hair. So I'm going to jump on in the shower, get it all washed up, and I'm going to show you all what shampoo I use. Oh gosh, look at these locks. Just beautiful. I'll be back. I'm so excited because all of this is perfect timing for wash day. So I'm gonna go and jump on in the shower, get this hair washed, so I can go into my twist routine. Be right back. Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, cold as ice and Coca-Cola. All right, lovely. So I have finished washing my hair and I put the conditioner in. I use the conditioner as a leave-in conditioner, so I actually do not wash it out. Look at this hang time, y'all. This is 5. Started off, they were about that long. And we just see how much it's grown within 5 years. I know a lot of people have asked me about my tips. I actually bleached part of my tips. Oh gosh, it was a couple years ago. And I've just been putting new rinses over it. Every time it fades all the way out and I decide to get a new color. So I just put this one in about a month ago. It's a candy apple red. So go on and watch and follow me as I twist my hair up. So this is what I usually like to do after I wash my hair to get some crinkles, and I let that last and, you know, fall out. And next month is actually when I'm due for my next retighten. So I'm going to do a whole video on that next month so you can get an idea to see what it is that I do with that routine, because I do it myself. So let's go and watch this twist and begin. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you
you out for a puff ball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN, hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh.
Alright, so this is the updo that I like to put my hair in as soon as I finish washing it. It's just a little protective style. I usually do some different updos with it, so I may like twist it back a little bit on the side, pull them in, allow them to hang, but I love them. Happy 5th Black anniversary to me.